The James Webb Space Telescope just changed everything we know about the universe. We were promised that the James Webb Space Telescope would rewrite the textbooks. And now, several years into its mission, it is doing exactly that. From mapping the invisible scaffolding of the cosmos to finding bizarre alien weather systems, Webb is pulling back the curtain on a universe that is far stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. Today we're breaking down the most mind-blowing JWST discoveries that have completely revolutionized astronomy in 2025 and 2026. Unveiling the invisible. Cosmic web. Let's start with the biggest structure imaginable. For decades, scientists knew that galaxies weren't just scattered randomly across space. They are arranged in a vast, interconnected network called the cosmic web. In May 2026, astronomers using Webb unveiled the clearest, most detailed map of this web ever created. By analyzing over 164,000 galaxies, Webb was able to trace this colossal skeleton of dark matter and gas all the way back to when the universe was just 1 billion years old. Dark matter is completely invisible. It doesn't emit or reflect light. But Webb's unprecedented resolution allowed scientists to see how dark matter's gravity shapes the universe on the largest possible scales, acting as the invisible scaffolding that holds galaxy clusters together. We aren't just looking at stars anymore. We are looking at the architectural blueprints of the cosmos. Alien weather. Ice clouds on a super-Jupiter. But Webb isn't just looking at the big picture. It's zooming in on individual planets outside our solar system, and it's finding some incredibly weird weather. In April 2026, scientists pointed Webb at a gas giant called Epsilon Indi Ab. This is a super-Jupiter planet, but it's remarkably cold. Based on our current models of how gas giants work, scientists expected to find a thick atmosphere dominated by ammonia. Instead, Webb threw them a massive curveball. It found less ammonia than predicted, and instead detected thick, patchy water ice clouds. Imagine the thin, wispy cirrus clouds you see high up on Earth, but scaled up to cover a planet 7 times the mass of Jupiter. It completely challenges our models of exoplanet atmospheres and proves that the climate on these distant worlds is far more complex than we ever anticipated. Black holes starving their own galaxies. Now let's look at a cosmic murder mystery. How does a galaxy die? Early in 2026, astronomers used Webb to spot one of the oldest dead galaxies ever identified. In astronomy, a dead galaxy is one that has stopped forming new stars. But why did it stop? Webb discovered that the culprit is the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center. As the black hole aggressively feeds, it generates such intense radiation and powerful winds that it literally blows the star-forming gas right out of the galaxy. It's a phenomenon astronomers are calling death by 1,000 cuts. The black hole choked off the fuel supply, starving its host galaxy to death and shutting down star formation forever. The hunt for biological activity. Finally, we have to talk about the ultimate question. Are we alone? Over the last couple of years, Webb has been staring closely at the atmospheres of planets in the habitable zone, the region around a star where liquid water can exist. By observing the starlight passing through a planet's atmosphere, Webb can detect exactly what chemicals are in the air. Recently, observations of planets like K2-18b have shown tantalizing, though unconfirmed, hints of molecules that, on Earth at least, are only produced by living organisms. While scientists are remaining incredibly cautious and stressing that we haven't found definitive proof of aliens just yet, Webb has given us the most promising biosignature candidates in the history of astronomy. We have officially entered an era where detecting biological activity on another world is not just science fiction. It is a technical possibility. Outro and call to action. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to look further back in time and space than humanity ever has before. But what's truly amazing isn't just how far it can see, but what it's teaching us about the complexity of the universe right now. From mapping the invisible dark matter web to watching black holes consume their galaxies, we are in a golden age of discovery. Which of these Webb discoveries blows your mind the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you want to keep up with the latest space news and cosmic mysteries, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, keep looking up.